dears, welcome to Beautiful Heart. I'm Leng, as nice Lulu. Today I'll be sharing with you the DIY Dupe palette series number 2, and today's palette will be this again. I've mentioned before, since this is not a very cheap palette, why not do as much videos as possible? And hopefully all these videos can benefit you. And for this palette, I've searched high and low for all my palettes, or almost all of my palettes, to find the colors as close as possible in here. And my priority will be using affordable palettes or affordable single eyeshadow brands to dupe this palette, so that you dears need not spend so much money. For those who are interested in just maybe 1 or 2 colors in this palette, you might want to look for the alternative. Also, I will not use this palette as a dupe because this palette seems to be a dupe of that. And I know you dears want me to do a comparison between this palette and this dupe. Actually, it's not really a dupe. They come at about the same time. But yes, I'm still trying on this. I've used this on my eyes for a few times and I already know what's the difference, so that will be another video soon. And yes, if you are interested to know what are the colors that is very similar to here, let's get started!
Lulu. wagon painted blue. Little red wagon painted blue. Skip to my Lou, my darling.
Skip to my Lou, Lou, Lou. Skip to my Lou, Lou, Lou. Skip to my Lou, skip to my Lou, my darling.
Off to Texas 2 by 2. Off to Texas 2 by 2. Off to Texas 2 by 2. Skip to my Lou, my darling.
Lou, Lou. Skip to my Lou, Lou, Lou. Skip to my Lou, Lou, Lou.
Alright dears, that's all for the sharing today. So dears, would you mind please feedback to me that do you find the colors, the dupe colors, very similar to this? Please comment in the comment section below, yeah, because I'm having difficulty to find an exact dupe for this color, Seaside and Mediterranean. I don't have an exact dupe for that. I find that this is easily dupeable, but not exactly with the same exact shade, because I still find that this two is a bit difficult to find the same exact shade. Yeah, I'm repeating myself. I've also watched my friend Pretty Vanity. She's also duping this palette with mostly her ColourPop eyeshadows and also the Urban Decay Born to Run, if I didn't remember wrongly. So I will also attach her video somewhere here so that you dears can refer to it for more inspirations. If you really like this palette but do not want to waste the kind of money, you may want to look for more inspiration. And hopefully this video can really help you out to save some money. And last but not least, here's an inner beauty tip for us to be more beautiful and more wise. Life's challenges are not supposed to paralyze you. They are supposed to help you discover who you are. Hope you like this video dears. If you like, please help me to like, comment, subscribe, and click the bell notification button for my future videos. By doing so, you are actually also helping me to increase the video search ranking in YouTube. Thank you so much for your help. Also, if you have not participated in my big giveaway, please refer to the link somewhere here. And lastly, today's eye makeup look is not with the Riveria palette, but instead I created this look with this Berry M Treasure Chest Baked Matte and Metallic Eyeshadow Palette. So if you are keen to know how I achieved this look, it will be coming up soon. Alright, thank you so much again. May you dears have a peaceful, blissful and joyful week ahead. See you next time. Bye!